Good morning, students. Yesterday you have learnt lesson number 5, Spreadsheet and Introduction. And in that chapter you have learnt a spreadsheet software, that is Microsoft Excel, its features, about workbook and worksheet, and one component of a worksheet. Today we'll continue the same chapter from page number 56 and 57. Today we will discuss other components of Microsoft Excel, how to move around the spreadsheet, how to enter data, and what are the different types of data. First is active cell. The highlighted box is known as an active cell. This is a highlighted box. It means we are ready to work in a worksheet. Just click on that box and start typing. Next is a range. A range is a group of contiguous cells which form the shape of a rectangle. Now see how to select a range. Just click on one cell, hold down your mouse and drag it to the number of rows and columns. Select the multiple columns and rows together is known as a range. Range is used to combine calculation on all these selected values. Name box, an area that displays the location of the cell pointer. See, this is a name box that displays the location of a particular one cell. Wherever you will click on a worksheet, it displays the place of that cell. See, the C and 6 is highlighted and it is displayed in the name box. It shows the cell address. Formula bar, a bar that shows the data and formula that you enter in an active cell. This is a formula bar. This full bar is known as a formula bar. It displays the data that you enter on a worksheet as well as formula that you enter. This is a formula bar. Next is column heading and row heading. Alphabet across the top border of the columns are known as column heading, and numbers at the left sides of the rows are known as row headings. Row headings are in numbers and column headings are in alphabets. Next is status bar, a bar that gives us information about the current selection. This last bar of the worksheet is known as a status bar. This last bar after these sheet tabs. Last bar, this is a status bar. It tells the work that you are doing. It means you are doing or not. If you will start typing, it will give you edit mode or enter mode. And if you will relax your worksheet, it will give you ready mode. Now we will discuss about how to move around the spreadsheet. We'll use some keyboard shortcuts for moving around the worksheet. Right arrow key is used to move to the right side of the cell. Down arrow key is used to move down to the cell. Up arrow key is used to move upward, and left arrow key is used to move left side. Page down key moves the active cell highlighted to the next sheet. See, if we have 25 rows in a one sheet, and it will move to the 26th row that is displaying in the next sheet. And if I'll press page up, it will move to the first row of your previous sheet. Page down means next sheet first row, and page up means first sheet first row. Control plus home key moves the cell pointer to the first cell of the topmost row. And Control plus End key move the cell pointer to the last cell used on a spreadsheet. We have used sheet 2 by using a page down, and it is moved to the next sheet, first row. And if I am using control plus home, it will move to the previous sheet that we have already used. Now let's see how to enter data in a worksheet. First of all, click on any cell. Start typing data. You can enter data like this. Like I have entered student's record. Write down the roll number as a heading, class, name, write the name of 2-3 subject and then total. Write down roll number, class, name of your friends or class students, marks of English, maths, science, and after this total heading we will perform calculation by using some formula. Now we will talk about different types of data that we enter in a worksheet. We have 3 types of data: numbers, text, and formula. Numbers are the values that consist of numerals from 0 to 9 and the characters like plus, minus, multiplication, division, etc. Text data contain alphabets, numbers, spaces, and special characters. And formula, it is a mathematical equation used to perform calculation, and it is made by the user. See, these are the numbers that we have entered in a one column, and these are the text values, and this is a formula. It is a sum formula that is used to perform calculation or total. So children, today we have learned about all the components of Excel, how to move around the spreadsheet, and how to enter data in a Excel worksheet. Different types of data you have entered in a worksheet, so do practice at home and try to do your best.